Hello, today I would like to talk about the short-term market development on the 29 biggest trades versus last month and versus July 2019. As there's a very different picture, what we do see, and let me start with last month. What we have out of those 29 trade lanes, which I will show you in a second, is that 62% of those trades are on a downward trend since June. Yeah, and just 25% on an upward trend. Compared to 12 months ago, there's a different picture because 55% of the corridors I'm showing are higher compared to last year, and only 38% are at a lower level. To give you a more precise picture, I would like to show you three different outbound regions. And all the data you do see over here is coming from our market trends view. So let's start with Asia outbound. Yeah, and we distinguish between Far East main and the Southeast Asia main. And how you see on this picture is, look, first line is Far East main to Mediterranean main, where the market versus July 2019 is up by 33%, but compared to June 2020, it's down by 4%. Yeah, the picture from Southeast Asia main to Mediterranean main is more or less on the same level, with plus 36 and minus 4. North Europe main is slightly different, as the rate levels are just 20% higher compared to last year, and the market in general is a bit more stable, slightly on the downward trends. Yeah, there's just one trade which is significant different, and that is Far East to South America East Coast, and also Southeast Asia to South America East Coast, where the market is roughly 50% lower compared to last year, July, and compared to June, a drop by 16 or 19%. Yeah. What is quite interesting to see over here is when you compare the market change versus last month, is that almost every trade is slightly lower compared to June. Let's come to another region. When we talk about US outbound, yeah, there's a little bit different picture. Overall, compared to last year, from East Coast, the market is also at a lower level, yeah, or slightly stable when we see US East Coast to North Europe main. Yeah, this is where we have numbers between minus 23 up to minus 3 on the decrease side. And also when we compare versus June last year, especially US to Europe is at a lower level, as both decreased by 8%. Yeah. The same is valid when we check US West Coast to Europe. This is also down by 10% compared to June this year, and especially Mediterranean, even compared with last year, which is 20% below last year level. Yeah, from US to Asia, picture is slightly different versus last month. We have more or less a slightly higher rate compared to last year. It is also more on the weaker side. Yeah, as I said, all this data you find in the market trends view. This is just a bit more condensed. Last one is Europe outbound, and this is the same view like you have in the market trends as well. And you do remember that we spoke about Europe to Asia several times, and especially when we check Europe to Far East main or Southeast Asia main, this is a trade where on the short-term market, the prices are way higher compared to last year. But what we do see over here, especially from North Europe main, is that these prices are dropping. Yeah, it is still on a far higher level, but this is what we have seen in June as well, where we see a smaller decline in the short-term market. Yeah. If we talk about Europe outbound to US, there's a different picture, both for East and West Coast. This year, July rates are way below last year July rates, and the short-term market is as well more on a stable slightly decreasing level. We don't see any bigger increases currently on the short-term market, what has been reported by our customers. Yeah. If you would like to get more insights, just let us know. That's it for this week. Speak soon and enjoy the rest of the day. Thanks a lot for your time. Bye-bye.